to love. The 2019 Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, sliding rear window, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, privacy glass, integrated turn signal mirrors, tires, front all season, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, rear all season. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.